down. We're going to start scrubbing soon. Do you want to start the front or the back? Start the back. The front. Back's already wet. Okay, that's good. Now we have to get our scrubber. Here. We only have one scrubber. Uh-oh. Here. Gideon, come here. You got to scrub the front. Will you help me scrub the cup? Fine, I'll scrub it. Wax on, wax off. Come here, karate kid. You know how to wash the car.
Don't get Papa's phone wet.
Okay. How about you rinse and I'll wash?
Wow. Alright, I'm getting out of here.
Spray the top right here and get the soap bubbles off. You gotta rinse it for me, okay? Here, no help.
He's no help. He's just having fun. You know, are you having fun? Gideon, are you having fun? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, get me wet. You booger.